Test your product, main image, title, pricing, and more against competitors and get real consumer feedback with our marketplace poll. Go to Poll Types and select Create Poll for the marketplace poll. First, name your poll. Then, write or generate a shopping situation with our AI to get contextual and meaningful feedback. Next, fill in the question you want to ask respondents. Add products by entering the ASINs. If you don't have competitor ASINs, use the Search Competitors button to find products to test against. When adding products, select the marketplace, country, and enter the ASIN, or create a product tile manually if the product is not listed on a marketplace. In Poll Settings, choose your focus area or select all options to test the full listing. Identify your target audience. Use our premium target audience for detailed segmentation or the basic audience for broader targeting. Set the number of respondents. We recommend at least 90 for clear insights. Fewer provides a snapshot, while more responses give clarity. In positive and negative, select Yes if you want respondents to choose their favorite and least favorite products. Hit the poll price button, choose Pay with Credit Card or Pay with Wallet, and click Checkout to launch your poll. We're now gathering responses from real consumers. Results will be ready in just a few hours with the basic audience and might take a day with the premium audience. Check out the poll results. The first section shows poll details. See which product was the favorite and how others ranked in overall results. Dive deep into detailed feedback in Poll Insight. Use the filtering options to find what you're looking for quickly. Situation Insights reveal what features respondents found important before seeing any products. The AI Summary tab provides a quick overview of positive and negative aspects with actionable recommendations to improve your product. Ready to gather valuable consumer insights? Launch the Marketplace poll today.